In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Deputy Chief Administrative of the Prime Minister's Office stresses on proper public service delivery. 235,000 metric tons of cargoes transported through the country's railway network. And the United States dismisses Iran's proposal for ending the conflict as worthless. Welcome to our news package. It's Tuesday, the 25th of Zulqa'dat al-Haram, 1447, the 22nd of Sur, 1405, and the 12th of May, 2026. The news details. Mawlavi Hayatollah Mubarak, the governor of Ghor province, met with Mawlavi Abdul Salam Hanafi and briefed His Excellency on the economic, social, and local governance situations in the province, as well as the activities and performance of local administrative institutions. The governor stated that officials of the Islamic Emirate in the province are working around the clock to ensure security, provide public services, and address the challenges faced by the people, particularly the returning migrants. Mawlavi Mubarak also conveyed the demands of the residents of Ghor regarding transportation routes, electricity supply, healthcare centers, development affairs, and migrant-related issues, calling for greater attention in those sectors. Meanwhile, Mawlavi Hanafi stated during the meeting that the courageous people of Ghor had made significant sacrifices and rendered great service in the struggle for the country's freedom and the establishment of the Islamic system. Mohammad Ashraf Akhshanos, the spokesperson for the Minister of Public Benefits, expresses that during the past week, a total of 235,362 metric tons of goods were transported through the railway lines operated by the ministry. Based on the statements he made, 160,063 tons were transferred through Hayraton, 18,694 tons through Aqina, 23,616 tons through Turghundi ports, and 23,988 tons through Herat Khaf railway routes. The shipments included petroleum products, non-petroleum goods, and other commercial materials imported and exported through the country. Dari further added that parts of the overall transportation volume consisted of exports, noting that 1,192 tons of commercial goods were exported during the past week, a large portion of which included dried fruit and pomegranate juice. The news continuation. The Minister of Rural Rehabilitation and Development states that graveling work on nearly 14 kilometers of rural road has commenced in Injil City, the center of Daikondi province, and in Sharistan district at a cost of exceeding 14.6 million Afghanis. In accordance with the ministry, completion of the road will significantly reduce transportation challenges faced by local residents. And ultimately, after Donald Trump described Iran's proposal for ending the ongoing conflicts as worthless, hopes for reaching a peace agreement between Iran and the United States have diminished. Reuters reported that Iran has called for an end to hostility across all fronts, including Lebanon, while also emphasizing its sovereignty over the Strait of Hormuz, compensation of war damages, and conclusion of the United States naval blockade. That's the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.